guys, good evening. Hello guys, good evening. What are you doing? Come with me. I have experienced 10 years in office. Today I teach you how to salary slip in Excel. Today I teach you how to salary slip in Excel. Just start. You can see guys. First type monthly salary. First month. Type MONTHLY monthly salary. SALARY monthly salary. Slip. SLIP slip. Select first of all. Select then size issue. Just click size issue and bold and just click middle way. You can see guys, and next type you can see imply EMP imply ID. Then click and bold. Next type designation imply of designation DESIGINE designation NATION designation bold. Okay guys, second cell, just click imply name EMPLYOY imply name NAME imply name. Just select first select bold. Next month and year MONTH month and year. Shift year space YEAR year. You can see guys how to make salary slip, because every company, one company no salary slip you give. Every company, some company no give the salary slip. I have idea. You create salary slip. You can see guys. Next type earning 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 and next BASIC basics salary. Next DA next DATA HRA bonus incentive INCENTIV incentive. incentive. Okay guys, last total, TOTAL, total guys, you can see total. Next type, deduction, DEDUCATION, deduction. And next type, deduction, ESI. And next type, PF. And next type, loan. Some company provide loan. And next type, insurance, INS, insurance, RAN, insurance. Net pay, SALARY, net salary. You can see guys how to create salary slip. This column, right press, insert. Signature of employee, SIGN, signature of employee, EMP. Next, director, DIRECTOR, director. You can see guys, director. First type, employee name, just click anybody, 0098. Next type, employee ID. First type, employee ID. Next, employee name, GVF. Month, AUG. Deduction, ESI amount, 789. PF, 6,000. Loan, 1,000. Insurance, 100. You can see guys, basic salary, 50,000. DA, 5,000. TA, 2,000. HRA, 3,000. HRA. And bonus, 9,000. Incentive, 6,000. Total. And deduction, you can see guys, total add minus deduction, then net salary. You can see guys, total add, just click equal, sum, shift start bracket, C8, C column and row 8. Okay, next type, column, last row last row 13, C13, C13, shift close bracket, next enter. You can see guys, total salary 75,000 and net salary. How to net salary? Next type, next thinking, 7, 8, 9, 6,000, 5,000 and 100. Total add. Again next total salary minus deduction salary. Total salary minus deduction salary called net salary. 6,3,111 is net salary. You can see guys, total salary minus deduction salary. Deduction total salary 11,8899 and total salary 75,000. You minus total minus deduction called 6,3,111. Then type 6,3,111. 6,3,111 is net salary. You can see guys how to create monthly salary slip. August. You can see guys, designation of manager, MANAGER, manager. You can see guys how to create monthly salary. You can see guys how to create monthly salary. Monthly salary how to create in Excel. You can see guys how to create monthly salary. You can see how to create monthly salary. Net salary is 6,3,111. You can see guys, signature of employee and director employee. Sorry, director of signature. Director of signature, SIGN.